Hello, and welcome to another episode of Origami. If you want to know how to make origami paper on your own, check out our previous video to find out how. It is included at the very end of the video. But otherwise, go ahead and get yourself a square sheet of paper and we'll go ahead and get started. Today we're going to be making a couple different really fun little projects, so I hope you have fun and can join along. The first one we're going to do is actually kind of like a Pikachu, but you can do a bunch of different little odds and ends to make it different and unique. So first thing you're going to do is fold your paper in half into a triangle. From here, fold this bottom part up, just kind of curl it around your fingers. Take this side, and what you're going to do is line up this edge with this edge over here. So you fold it up like that. Same thing on the other side, fold it up, take this little top bit, fold it down, and flip it over, and there's your Pikachu face. Voila. Now, I was taught by a kid who figured out how to do this, a really cool and unique way to change the Pikachu into other types of animals. So same thing as before, you fold this into a triangle, fold this bottom bit up, like so. Then you take this and you fold it really far over. Same with the other side. You're going to fold it so it's kind of like a triangle or like a point down here at the bottom. Take this point, fold it down, and now you have a bunny. To make a different one, fold this farther out like so. Same on this side. Fold this down. Keep it like a triangle. Fold this up. Fold this up. Fold this down. And you have either a fox or a cat. The next one we're going to be doing is making a swan. So fold your paper in half, and now unfold. If you're familiar with the original video that we did, you're going to be doing what's called a kite fold. So from this point, you're going to fold this over so that this side right here lines up perfectly with this. Then you do the same thing on the other side so it looks like a kite. Flip it over. This side right here is going to fold to this side over here. Same thing. Take this point and fold it all the way back to here. Just kind of fold this in half. Take this and fold it to right here. And now, fold this all in half. Slowly pull the neck up and then crease. Pull the head up and crease. The next thing we're going to be making is actually something that's very useful. I've used it on multiple occasions and I think it's a really fun little project to make. That is a cup you can actually drink out of. So first thing you're going to do, fold your paper into a triangle. Okay. Now you're going to take this point and fold it to about somewhere over here. So this just folds over like so. Flip it over. This point right here is going to fold to touch this one. Like so. Okay. Now, inside this flap, you have a little pocket. You're going to take one of these triangles and fold it down inside the pocket. Flip it over on the other side. Open it up. Push the inside a little so it looks a little bit like this. And voila. It's not leaking. And I can drink. I typically use one of these about 3 or 4 times before I throw it away because the paper gets too soggy. But before you use it again, if you've already taken a drink out of it, just let it dry completely and then you can use it again. Our last project is another one that's very functional. It's a little tiny box. They're very useful for storing things. First thing we're going to do, fold our paper into a triangle, fold this in half, and then unfold. From here, fold each of your corners into the center point. From here, what you're going to do is fold this side so it touches the center point as well. So like so, kind of like its little brochure. Do it on both sides. Open that up to here. Do the same thing on the top and the bottom. Take this side and unfold out, and the opposite side from that and unfold out. On your crease that you've already made right here, fold this in. Same on the top. Fold this across like so. Okay, so this side right here matches up with this line, so fold that across that way. Unfold this across this way. Unfold, and then do the same over here. So this line right here will go across this crease like so. Unfold, and like so, and unfold. Lift these sides up just a little like so. What you're going to do is kind of pinch it like that. Do you see how these are open right here? Push these down until it's completely flat. Take the pointed part, all of this right here, and you're going to fold this down inside like that, okay? Push this in until it starts to fold. Flatten it on the side, push the flap down, and there's your box. I hope this was fun for you, and I'll see you next time.